Welcome to Edney Studios. I'm Edney, and in this video we are come to learn how to blur the background of an image in Photoshop. Please make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Let's get started. Okay, so open in Photoshop. We first duplicate the background layer 2 times. So we name this one background, so just then we name this one subject. So the next thing we do is to select the background. So we can use this tool or feature in Photoshop. We go to select, then subject, then it automatically selects. So as we can see, the image has been selected, but there are some few places which are exempted. So this is where we use the quick selection tool. Quick selection tool. You increase the brush size using the right bracket key, and you decrease using the left. So we zoom into the image and we correct the places which were not selected. So we add to the selection using the plus. Add to the selection. You can hold Alt, which changes the brush into minus. Then you paint away or deselect those places which are not needed. So after we finish selecting the background, we create a layer mask for this background. We create a layer mask for as the subject. Create a layer mask, then click on the background layer. Then you hold control and click on the layer mask for the subject to bring back the selection. So now we are come to remove the lady from the background, remove the subject from the background. So in doing so, we first have to increase the selection radius to prevent the subject from being added to the replacement. So we increase it using 30 pixels. So we expand by 30 pixels. We click OK. Then we go to edit, then use the content aware fill. This automatically removes the subject from the background. So after it has removed the subject from the background, we don't need a perfect removal, we just need it to be removed, and we click OK. It set the output to current layer to have effect on the background or to have effect on the layer you selected. So if we unview this layer, then so the background has been removed. So after the background has been removed, we deselect the selection using Ctrl D. After deselecting the subject, So after deselecting the subject, we click on the layer mask of the subject layer, click on it, then go to filter, go to other, go to minimum, and we are come to decrease the radius of the selection to make the selection better. So we use 5 pixels, we decrease it by 5 pixels. It decreases the it decreases by 5 pixels. Then we click on the background or this layer. We go to filter, we first convert it to smart object. Then we go to filter, then go to blur gallery, then tilt shift. So yeah, I come to bring the feet in focus. That's what will be in focus. So this region is not affected by blur, and from this region to this dotted line there is a gradual blurring effect. So it gradually increases to this line, then this line from this line onward the blur is fixed at the 15 pixels or at the quantity or the magnitude in which you place the blur. So first make the feet in focus, you zoom out a little, then bring this to we add a little blur effect to the control 0, then we make it come up to somewhere here. So there's a gradual blurring effect to this place, and this place is 15 pixels blur. So we increase this blur, so we increase the blur magnitude, so we increase it to 53. So we increase it to 53. Yeah, we increase it to 53. Then we click OK. So we see how it has blurred the background. So this was how the background was, and this was when we added the blur effect. So after the effect is added, we can go on and add some color corrections and other things. So we create a new layer, merging all the layers into that layer using Ctrl Shift Alt E. We go to filter, then convert to smart object, and we open camera raw in which we are editing the image. So opening camera raw, we first decrease the exposure a little. For me, I want to decrease the exposure a little. Then we increase the contrast. Also, then we decrease the highlight a little, increase the shadows, decrease the texture, increase the clarity, increase the haze a little. Also increase the vibrance, and we can also further add some effects like vignetting to focus more on the subject. So you dial down the amount and the feather in order to adjust the midpoint accurately. So adjust the midpoint when it's little semi feather a little. Around this, we adjust it a little. Then we increase the amount and increase the feather. I think this about right. So this, I think this all. So we can increase the vibrance a little more to add more color, or we just leave it according to how your image, according to your image. So we click OK, and this is what we've made out of, and this is what we've got. This was how the image was, and this is how the image is after we've added the blur effect. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel, and you will not regret it. See you in the next video. Peace.